just let it roll towards me, and I'm going to push like that very quickly. Oh! Gotcha, I'm standing here. Oh, same thing. This is going to be a pretty decent one as well. There you go. Wow. We'll get it. Just let it go. Keep coming back to me. There you got it. Oh, made me work for it. On top of mine. Like, there we go. And then we're just going to go behind the head. Elbows a little bit closer together. Even a little bit more. That's it. Leaning back onto me. Oh, crunchy. Nice. All you have to do is just let that muscle relax right there. That's it. Nice.
So good.
Oh, how does that feel now?
Yeah, it feels good.
Oh, save the best for the last. Nice.
That's so scary.
Oh.
It's different.
Yeah.
This is nice and springy. That's how the joint should, this is called the joint play. But this, stuck. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
As I twist it to the right. Look how this one bulging. This is flat almost.
Oh.
This is, look, this is a little bit deep over here. Look how much different it is over here. All done. So the subtle difference, I would look at the ankles. One ankle, right ankle, is above the left one. Right? So there's uneven. Quiet. Feel that pressure going away? You know. So again?
Felt it.
Alright, and that's it. Have a seat.
Just gonna see. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust right up here, and that's
Okay.
the spot that I talked about earlier.
Okay. Oh shit.
That looks really
Holy shit.
And breathe out. Nice. Good. And then turn onto your other side, so face the other way. And same thing, so straighten that, bend that. Good, and then hold onto your elbow there, so keep that tight. Take a deep breath in, and breathe out. Good, and